was last night. Here we go. 5 seconds. Good luck. And we're off. Burlington's yanking hard down to 151. Markets, let's see, the Dow's pulling, Roku's pulling, the other two are hanging out. S&P's at that 2765.50 support. Breaking our support level.
Breaking down. Let's do this. Tight stop.
Couple sell orders on time and sells Nasdaq. 50 contracts at 99.
Filled.
Sold.
Wicks down. Beautiful.
Roku back at the high. Dow is yanking. The other two are still just kind of hanging out. GWRE's ripping. It's going to go to hit $100 right now. We got about 3 minutes on this opening range. Markets are trying to bottom out, but it's way too early to say that. Lots of sell orders coming through Nasdaq at 95.
Order filled.
BPTH is at $20.
BPTH at $21.
Wasn't it $12 the other day? Roku's at the 200. G-Wire's pulling back. SPY is just doji candle. Everything's got a doji candle right now. We have 2 minutes on opening range, which is non-existent on the Nasdaq and the SPY.
Netflix is ripping right now.
Roku's dumping.
Well, Nvidia's going down. Microsoft is going down. But I think
I think Roku's running out of steam, Robert.
Yeah.
I'd be careful with that one though. The daily chart's real strong. You got dip buyers everywhere.
Wow, look at
Target
BPTH,
filled.
$22.
Target filled.
All right, S&P's testing that support.
on here.
75 contracts just got sold at 98 just now. That's a big order.
Mm-hmm.
That's a lot of money.
BPTH at almost $24 now.
It's ripping. Hombre, you want to win that challenge?
Halted, dude.
Don't trade BPTH.
Oh my god, dude, you would have been done for.
Yeah, he'd have been done. But yeah, that's a scary one.
I think it's gonna get halted.
They're halted.
Halted.
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
Hombre, if you're in that, you need to call them right now and have them unlock your account.
It's already up, what, $11?
Because if you are in it, when it gets halted, they lock the account and they don't open it for about a minute until about a minute after the halt. So call them if you're in it. Tell them to unlock that. Roku not going anywhere. It looks heavy. Trying to bounce though. S&P trying to make a new low.
It's doing it. Let's do this.
5-minute opening range is very like 10 points on the Nasdaq. That's odd. That's odd. Another 28 contracts got sold at 91.
Order filled.
We're coming down. We got support on the Nasdaq at
Target filled.
67.75.
Got 4 left.
S&P new low.
Next target 7106.
BPTH is halted, bro. You don't want to trade the
Target
net account.
filled.
I'm in it, trader.
You're in it.
I'm in it to win it.
Are you in it with
No.
the halt? Oh, you better call
Yeah,
them.
$18.
Okay, you better call them
No.
and tell them to unlock your
That'd be
account.
nice. No.
Down.
Scary. They had like a 60 cents. It has like really, really low flow.
Ooh,
I think less than a
don't
million.
Paid. Alright, next target's at
Trader, some puts
0275.
for SPY.
Hmm?
Are we gonna need some puts for SPY too?
I'm thinking about it, but everything might bounce when the Nasdaq hits 67.75, so I don't want to get in premature, get hammered.
EPTH has 6.7 million shares.
Order
Thinking about
filled.
getting long on GWRE, testing support.
Roku's still down.
All right, I'm gonna take a small position on GWRE, 50 shares. Nasdaq
Target's
is dumping.
at
Target
0250.
filled.
Dumping.
Target
Dumping.
filled. Got 3 more.
all I'm gonna say is I posted that video for a reason.
Next target is 7093.
10 points
I
from
feel that
support.
today's a day.
Nasdaq. Bro, broke that support and dumped. I knew it. I knew it. All right, so we're about 10 points above support on the Nasdaq. Pay attention to 67 and then 47.
Same here, Ops. This is the rejection point.
Yep,
Green on
it is. Double top
GWRE
potential.
and red. Don't like the way that jumped down.
It gets through 82.5, which it doesn't.
Order filled.
Get paid, Black Ops. Go to the beach.
Good shit, Ops.
Target filled.
Nice.
EPTH
Alright.
unhalted.
Green on
Okay.
GWRE.
Oh boy. This is a
That-
pullback for a go along. BPTH.
High or low there for a second. It can't bounce here. Got to reject here.
Alright, we're up $605 in 10 minutes.
I wouldn't trade that, Robert.
Nice.
GWRE, high a day,
48
breaking
cents
yesterday's close. Markets are yanking. Dow just broke support. Nasdaq still 10 points above support.
Trying to double bottom, but that's BS. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Load the boat.
Arlington's not dumping.
Fill
My
your
goodness.
orders. Don't cancel.
Order
them.
filled. Target filled.
GWRE, what are you gonna do? Gonna
Up
stop me out?
731 in 10 minutes. It's a good morning.
Brand new candle,
How's it doing?
but tight little candle so far. Near support on the Nasdaq. Dow at support. S&P is below, but we're at a whole number.
With the way the charts are looking, bro, this has got Bitcoin written all over it. This is this type of day. Moving my next target, my target down to 70.90 instead.
It's getting choppy.
Next one's 79. It's at resistance here on the bearish trend line.
Dollar Tree's ripping.
That thing is
That's
ripping
the
down.
rejection point.
Wow. That was a pullback. That thing's
$10
gonna go to $40 straight here.
You see, it doesn't want to do it. Let's see what happens though.
Nice tight little candle
Hold it
right
down.
now.
Yep, beautiful. You see, nice trend line.
Wire,
Wow.
not liking
Order
this.
filled.
Not liking
Beautiful.
this.
Yes.
Stop filled.
G-Wire's
Stopped
dumping.
out.
Dumping with my money in it.
6.
Continue the free fall.
Dollar Tree
Order
all the way
filled.
back up to yesterday's high. $2.
Stops to that high there.
Roku,
Wanna stop at
trying to
09?
bottom.
There you
Nasdaq's
go.
Still above that support.
Yes. Moving my target down again.
Oh yeah, I'm getting paid.
I'm looking for 70.87. Looking for 70.77. I got 5 on the way
Order
down. My
filled.
average did go down.
Close out
lower.
there.
Yes. 1975 average. Beautiful.
Up a K.
Racks. Let's go. We broke 7100. New low.
Nasdaq nearing that support level.